Alright, so in this next video, we're gonna learn about the horizontal and vertical boxes. So let's go ahead to my widget blueprint again. And now here, the horizontal and vertical box are basically similar concept to the canvas panel. They're gonna be containers where we are gonna put other things on top of them. You can find them in the panel subsection here as well. So let's go ahead and add one of each to the canvas panel, and then we're gonna test some stuff with them. Okay, so let's add the vertical box here in the top right, but the vertical box is meant to be more laid out vertically, so we can use these dot symbols to shape it how we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and make something like this, like a vertical box, and here we're gonna make sure it's anchored to the top right, and then we're gonna put 0, 0 for the coordinates. Okay, so when that happens for the vertical box, you're gonna notice that the 0, 0 coordinate, it is gonna put it in the origin, but it will have it like aligned to the right side, meaning that it's not actually in the canvas panel, it's just outside. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and fix that. And how to fix that in this alignment category from the canvas panel. Basically here you can align the direction of the component. So we're gonna put 1 for the x coordinate, 0 for the y. In this way, as you can see, it's gonna flip it. And now our vertical box is totally anchored to the top right, but inside of the canvas panel. Okay, so that's how we want it. Now okay, that is the vertical box. Now let's go ahead and add an horizontal box. So you're also gonna find it here in the panel subsection. And this one we can put it in the top left. So put 0, 0 coordinates. And we can make it like a little bit larger. Okay. Just make sure it just doesn't go out of the panel. Okay. Okay. 0, 0. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we have, as you can see, a horizontal and vertical boxes set up. Now, I just want to show you a little bit how it works when you put things inside of them. So I'm gonna go ahead to the common part of the palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some bottoms to this vertical box. Okay, so go ahead and follow same as me. So we're gonna go ahead and add 3 bottoms here. So I'm gonna talk more in detail about the bottom widget later, but right now we're just testing, right? So when you put things in the vertical box, you can actually, by default, they will stack in the direction of the box. So if this is a vertical box, it's gonna stack vertically. If it's horizontal, it's gonna stack in that direction. And you can flip the bottoms by clicking these arrows. Right now, it's not really gonna change too much because they are all the same, but this is technically like switching them around. And then a very important property here, if we go on this one of these bottom properties, you have actually this fill, uh, basically same as the canvas panel. You're gonna have like in the bottom details panel a section just for the vertical box slot. And in that one, you can actually change many things about the bottom in respect to the vertical box. For example, here there's this fill property that what it's gonna do is that's gonna fill out the rest of the box. So for example, if I have this bottom chosen and I choose fill, you can see it fills until the end of the vertical box. Okay, and that can be true for the rest. Okay, so I just want to show you a little bit of these properties. Whenever we are gonna go into the bottom in the bottom video, the bottom widget video, I will be talking a little bit more about all these things in detail. But just for now, leave these 3 bottoms uh, so that we understand how the vertical and the horizontal boxes behave when we have components on them. Okay.